Hi, I'm Bill Cook from Greenlee County Cooperative Extension in Duncan, Arizona. We're going to winnow some beans today. This is good for saving seeds or if you're growing beans to eat. So for dried beans or seeds of any kind, the first thing you have to do is make sure it's dry. And it rattles a little bit. The pod is crisp, it cracks. So if you're just doing a few for your own little garden next year, you can very easily just split the pods and take the beans out to save them. But if you're doing quantities, like we're doing here, we're cleaning some of these for the seed library, and we're going to put some aside to make a pot of beans later. So then we do a little thing that we call winnowing the beans. So we take these pods, nice and crisp, and I like to just put them in a bucket or a bowl and just kind of beat it up a little bit, and you'll break a few seeds, but it's no big deal. And of course you'll see that the beans themselves are heavy and the pods are light. So we're going to take advantage of that. Now if we had a windy day, we could just do that and the pod would just blow away. But we don't have much in the way of a breeze today, so we're going to use a fan. And I've actually wired two fans together to get just a little more oomph out of it. So then all we do is we sprinkle these like this, and you can see that the pod is blowing away and the beans are staying put. So there'll be a few pieces of pod that didn't blow away. So you can just do that 2 or 3 times. Sorting, and we have some nice clean bean seeds. And of course you'll want to sort, if you're going to eat them, you'll want to sort through to make sure you didn't get a rock or if there's any bad beans mixed in there. So a little bit of sorting, and then you'll wind up with something like this. Now these are some beans that I'm going to save to cook later. I like to put them in a mason jar. Make sure they're good and dry before you do that. And something I like to do is stick them in the deep freeze for a few weeks before I put them in the pantry. And what that does, if there's any insect eggs, insects, any bacteria, anything like that, the deep freeze gets rid of a lot of that and they'll store better. So there you have it, winnowing beans. This works with a lot of other stuff. I've done okra this way, a few other seeds. So that's winnowing.